What's it like living through a home renovation?
There was just dust everywhere.
It took a while and it was pretty messy.
There was just a lot of dust and a lot of mess.
It was just everywhere, in places that you couldn't even imagine.
We definitely learned our lesson from that.
We like them, but we wouldn't use them again.
There's a lot of good construction companies out there. The experience that the homeowner goes through during the process is really what makes a difference in their lives.
You're a guest in somebody's home.
We've got to show them that we care about their home as much as they do.
He talked to me about a new system, Zip Wall. He said, and it's very impressive. He said, I like it, I've used it a few times.
Basically, you pull it up and you can actually attach some plastic to the top and you bring it down and you lock in the plastic and you can actually make almost like a shield around the workspace that you're working at.
It sealed off the house. I was very impressed with it.
He was showing respect to my family and my home and my space. It really did impact the quality of our life in a positive way.
It just makes it feel like you can still work with your contractor and still live in your house and have a good relationship.
It just seemed so smart that they came in and they had this product that they used that made our lives so much easier.
It really isn't that big of a out-of-pocket expense. The homeowner really sees the value-added service that you have when you incorporate this product into your business.
If you don't talk about how you're going to contain dust and dirt, then you're missing a big opportunity.
Mark was definitely not the lowest bidder. As a matter of fact, there was about $2,000 difference between him and the guys that was below him. But he was the only guy that told me how he'd seal off the house.
We have a neighborhood newsletter and people are always asking for contractors.
I feel really good about it and I would definitely recommend my contractor for using this product.
That's the best form of advertising, when someone gives your name out to a friend. We've had people say, so-and-so was so impressed with you guys, you took care of their home, our last contractor trashed the place, can you come in and give us a bid?
People refer us because we keep the site clean, and Zip Wall's a big part of that.
I can trust any contractor that uses the Zip Wall because I know they have my well-being in mind.
If you don't use Zip Wall now, then you really should try it, because after you use it one time, you will see that it is an awesome product.
Zip Wall, if you don't have it, go buy it. Especially if you're coming to work in my house.